Hello, welcome to Review Tube 2.0. Today we have in our hands the Apple Watch Ultra 2, GPS plus cellular, 49mm, the ultimate combination of technology, power and style. It's not just a watch, it can be the best adventure companion of your life. Every feature of it will surprise you. Let's talk about the design first. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 features a 49mm ragged titanium case, lightweight yet incredibly durable. Paired with the blue ocean band, it's not just a smartwatch, it's a statement piece. The watch is designed to withstand extreme conditions, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or intense workout. And it's not just ragged, it's water-resistant up to 100 meters. And with MIL-STD 810H certification, it's ready for whatever you throw at. The Ultra 2's Retina display is brighter than ever. With a maximum brightness of 3000 nits, everything stays crystal clear, even in direct sunlight. The always-on display ensures you never miss an important notification or fitness update. And thanks to watchOS 10, the interface is smoother and more intuitive than ever. Now let's look at the features and performance. This watch isn't just about looks. The Ultra 2 has precision GPS for accurate tracking, even in remote areas. Action buttons for instant access to your favorite features. Improved fitness tracking, including heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen levels, and sleep tracking. Siri voice control, now faster and more reliable. Battery Ultra 2 offers up to 72 hours of battery life in low power mode. That's enough for a whole weekend of adventures without a charge. We field tested the Ultra 2's performance. Whether tracking a morning run or guiding you on a night hike, it didn't miss a step. The haptic feedback on the action button makes it easy to use even with gloves. And the dual frequency GPS. It's great for accurate navigation in the city or the wilderness. Now for the pros and cons. Robust, premium design. Unrivaled GPS accuracy. Long battery life. Stunningly bright display. Packed with advanced health and fitness features. Pros. Premium price point. Limited to the Apple ecosystem. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is undoubtedly the best. But Android users might miss out. So, is the Apple Watch Ultra 2 worth it? If you're an adventurer, fitness enthusiast, or a fan of premium technology, then definitely go for it. Its durable design, advanced features, and $1,299 in price tag make it not just a smartwatch, but a lifestyle upgrade. What do you think? Comment. If you enjoyed the video, like it, subscribe to Review Tube 2.0, and hit the bell icon for new videos. See you next time.